Do you know what fiqh means? Ibrahim, start with you.
Fiqh means to understand.
So fiqh means, in the Arabic language, it means to understand. It means al-fahmu. Okay, any evidence for that? In the Quran, in the Hadiths, the word fiqh meaning understanding. Somebody might just say, who's watching, like, where did Ibrahim bring that from? Is it his pocket? How do we know that that's what it means? Any evidence from the Quran? Story of Nabiullah Musa, when Nabiullah Musa said to Allah, send me to
لعلهم يفقهون.
لعلهم يفقهون, يعني يفهمون. Very good. That's one evidence. And another evidence is رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So يفقه قولي means يفهم قولي. This story is talking about Nabiullah Musa and Harun when Allah was sending them both to Fir'aun. And Fir'aun was a tyrant leader, right? So Musa had a slight issue. What was the issue that Musa had? He wasn't able to articulate. He wasn't eloquent in his speech. Alayhi salam. And so he requested if Allah could give him someone to help him. Who did he want?
Harun.
His brother Harun. And this is as a side benefit, so the viewers can benefit from this. If someone was to ever ask you, what is the greatest gift a person gave to another person? What would you say? The best gift a person is given to another person.
Nubuwwah.
Yeah, the gift of prophet.
Yes, the gift that Nabiullah Musa asked for his brother, right? Prophecy, right? Allah to make him a prophet. There's no station higher than that, right? So Musa asked for someone to aid him and support him, and he asked for his brother. Why did he want his brother Harun to be a prophet with him?
He was more eloquent in the speech.
Exactly.
So
my brother Harun is more eloquent than I am. So he wanted his brother to articulate the point so that they can understand exactly what the message is about. So that's why Musa even asked Allah if he's yafqahu qawli, so they can understand what I'm trying to say. So the word yafqahu is the word fiqh. And that's where the word was borrowed from. So that's what it means in the Arabic language. By the way, students need to understand this, inshallah ta'ala, is that the religion of Islam came into a language that was already present, correct? The Arabic language was already there. Arabs existed, they were talking, they had conversations. And then the Quran came in that language. And then the hadiths of the Prophet came in that language. And it started to borrow words from the Arabic language. So it's important to always know what that word meant before the religion of Islam came. So the word al-fiqh, before Islam came, it was understood as what? Al-fahmu, to understand.